How to allow others to repost your post on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Click on your profile at the bottom right. Then click on three lines at the top right. After that, click on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. In here, click on Privacy, which is the second option. After you click on privacy in here, simply scroll down and click on reuse of content. After you've clicked on reuse of content in here, allow reuse of content from, click on it. After you've clicked on it, click on everyone. Make sure the pink dot is in everyone. After you've done that, you're good to go. This is how to allow others to repost your post on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.